Now, angle between a line and a plane. A plane given, a line also given, find the angle between the line and the plane. But we know angle between a line and a plane is the complement of the angle between the line and the normal to the plane. Angle between the line and the normal, then its complement is angle between the line and the plane. So diagrammatically consider, so this is a plane. A plane. Then a line. A line. So angle between the line and the plane is this. And the plane has a normal. Suppose this is normal. N. And this line, so its equation is R equal to A plus lambda B. And a plane is, say, R dot N is equal to D. And then if angle between the line and the normal is theta, then this is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So first we find the angle between the line and the normal, then find its complement, which is the required angle. That is the method. That is the method. And now consider this equation of the plane. That is the plane may be taken as this R dot N is equal to D. Equation of the line R equal to this A plus lambda B and the normal N. Then angle between the line and the normal we find. Angle between the normal and the line is same as the angle between normal and B. Because this R equal to A plus lambda B equation of the line, and that line is parallel to the vector B. And therefore angle between the line and the normal is same as angle between this B and the normal. Therefore, if theta is the angle between this B and the normal, then cos theta is equal to modulus of B dot N by modulus of B into modulus of N. So this is cos theta. Therefore, the required angle is 90 minus theta, or cos theta equal to this means theta is equal to cos inverse modulus of B dot N by modulus of B into modulus of N. So 90 minus theta is equal to 90 minus cos inverse modulus of B dot N divided by modulus of B into modulus of N. So this is the required angle, 90 minus cos inverse this. Cos inverse this. And now remember this sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore 90 minus theta is equal to sin inverse cos theta is equal to sin inverse cos theta is this, or this is equal to this sin inverse cos theta, which is equal to B dot N divided by modulus of B into modulus of N. So in this way also we can find this. We need not take the complement. Directly we can find which is sin inverse this. Sin inverse this. So any form can be used. But anyway, the angle between the normal and the line is given by theta equal to cos inverse B dot N by modulus of B into modulus of N. And the required angle is 90 minus theta, that's all. 90 minus theta. Okay? That's all.